Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It is Countdown to Summer, day 16, which is an even day. So that means it is Kelly from Cal's Kitchen. And if you haven't been here before, go down below, can't talk, go down below, click on Pinkee Jean and Cal's Kitchen to see what they got for day 16 on the countdown to summer. And for those of you that are joining back for the 16th day, I hope you enjoy it. So today we've got a question from Kelly and a postcard. This is the one that I picked out. So let's see what we got today. Okay. This one is Washington, D.C. and some beautiful picture. Look at that sunset in the background. That's pretty. I don't know if you can see it real well. It's kind of like, anyways, get that. And let's see what kind of question we got for today. So the question of the day is, what's the longest you've gone without sleep and why? The longest that I've gone without sleep and why? Oh boy. Probably when I was in labor. So I went in on a Monday because I was a week overdue, and they induced me and I was having contractions, and I didn't get any sleep. If you've ever been in the hospital anyways, you know you don't get to sleep. But I didn't get sleep Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night. Thursday morning, they said, oh, we're going to have to do a C-section. So yeah, you know, I might have got some naps in there, but not really. And let me tell you, they had, they did the C-section bright early in the morning on that Thursday. I was out till dark time. I was so tired. I was out. And I didn't wake up till it was really late in the evening. And that was really the first time that I got to really hold my son, because that was a C-section and they took him and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that was the longest day. But I have a few other ones, but you know, those were like teenage years, going out, going to work, not really sleeping, hanging out, going to work. So those kind of things. But it's usually for just like a night, and that was it. It wasn't for a long period of time. So just maybe 1 or 2 days, one day going into the second day type of thing. But yeah, that's it. That was the longest day without going to sleep. Here we go. Bubble wrap. Open up. Let's see what we got. It's in a cute little bag with a little sticker. I have no idea what it is. And then it's in a, oh, okay. Looks like it's either, can't get this tape off, like the hand sanitizer, or, but I can't get it out. I'm trying to be smarter than it. I don't know if it's working. Okay. It is Root for Each Other, Citrus and Aid. It's an antibacterial hand gel. So yes, I was right. And it smells good. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's got that little bit of the, has a nice smell though for a hand sanitizer. Very nice. Who can't use some hand sanitizer? Especially in today's society with the germs everywhere. So awesome. Thank you so much, Kelly. And this will go in my purse. I'll use it. So till tomorrow. Bye.